So this is Target 3001 integrated PCB design software, sir.
Okay.
As you have seen, there are many softwares available. You must have worked on some of the softwares. So this is the complete PCB designing tool for electronics and electrical circuits. Like you can
Okay.
create any circuit through schematic. Uh, there are 3 to 4 parts in which we can categorize these softwares. Like first is schematic, in which we create the design, draw the circuit. Then there is a simulation in which we analyze this circuit. Then there is a layout portion in which we create the layout of that circuit. Then again go to the 3D view. Then the manufacturing process in which we can take a printout of the Gerber file, or we can create a file format of any uh, CNC machine. So these are the process which are available in this software. So this is a complete
Okay.
flow of doing any design of any circuit.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
I just start the presentation. Hmm. So this is Target 3001 PCB design software. Let's start. It is available in multiple languages. Actually, the software is of Germany based, so they have designed in many languages. So it is available
Okay.
in English and other languages. So so these are the features I've told you, that it has schematic in which we can design the circuit. Then there is analog and mixed mode simulation, analog digital mixed mode simulation. You can analyze the circuit in mixed mode or analog or digital. Then auto router, counter auto router is there. When we design any layout, there would be require some auto routers to route the signal in an optimized space. So these are the helpful tools which are integrated in the software to make easier your simulation and layout process. So auto placer is there, as like auto router, auto route the signals. Then auto place the components in the optimized space. Like we design the circuit as a sketching, like sketching, rough sketching. But when we create it into the layout portion, then it will require a small optimized space to place our components. So that's why autoplacer helps to optimize those component into the circuits. Then PCB layout is there, PCB layout, then 3D view, EMC analysis, electromagnetic check is there, then front panel layout, then
EMC, what is EMC?
EMC electromagnetic check, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Electromagnetic
Okay.
analysis is there.
Okay.
Uh, so front panel layout is there, manufacturing data, it provides manufacturing data.
Hmm.
Uh, Sanjay, then why should you use it? So it is available in Windows 32 bit, and can use it for XP 7 8 GUI interface there. Then all this information like I've told you. Then renaming, numbering of pins. There are many pins and numbers are there in numerous circuits. So you can rename, renumber, highest accuracy. Then grid rotate, component server is there. 36,000 components is available online in this software. And actually they update these circuits monthly, weekly time they update, and there is online update available. Online update is available. When you click on this available, I'll show you in software where it's available. When you click on the available online update, it will update the components which are available in the server and which is not available in your database. So they will compare and update your component server. So component can be edited, inserted. The 50 step undo redo is available. Then these are some import of these softwares: Eagle, Orchid, many software which are renowned softwares. Orchid is very renowned. You must be seeing. Patch format is very renowned. Protel. So it is.
That we are familiar with that ORCAD.
Yeah, yeah. Orchid you must be familiar. So so
Yeah.
interface is available with Orchid and Target. So
Okay. Okay. Okay.
yeah, that is available. So up to 256 variants of assembly with one project. CMS system is there, component management system, in which you can create, edit components to your own. Then free updates is available with the version you whatever version you purchase. From 1 year you will get the updates online. Transparency workforce, freedom of action is available. Then numerous commercial features which are available in the other softwares available in same. Then this is the Prota legal, it is a trademark option. Then let's come to the schematic design. Schematic is you must be seeing the screenshots. In the environment, there are some components are placed and they are connected to through a wire. So you can just place these components through this library and drag and drop and then create. So the schematic is a design all the circuit and give the parameters at which parameter your circuit should be analyzed. So this work you can design in schematic. So these are the same features which are available in the schematic, like component library browser, component management system. You can skip this. This is also same features. Then analog digital mixed mode simulation is there. So you must be familiar with the ORCAD, the PSpice simulation is there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
so PSpice is a patent of ORCAD, and Spice is the basic language which is used by many softwares. So Spice is the basic
Mm-hmm.
language. So we use this Spice code simulation to analyze any kind of circuit. So it is a backend program which runs in any of the software. So mixed mode analog plus digital, both simulation are there. DC sweep, these are the analysis which is available in the software. AC sweep, DC sweep, transient, then relay setup, hold, all these kinds of analysis you can run.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
So we can directly connect it to the oscilloscope for getting this output.
Sir, this oscilloscope is available. Virtual scope oscilloscope is available in software only. When you click on the simulation, you will get the result.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. So PW editor, pulse width editor is there. Model browser is there. Import manufacturer models. Many components are available. One component is available with other manufacturers. So there are multiple component available with the same. For a single component, there is multiple manufacturers. So manufacturer models are there. You can import those manufacturer models. Graphics sub circuit generator is there. Then now this is the same. We are continuing the same features are there. Sub circuit generator and easy model import. So these are the features which is available. MOSFETs, PSpice syntax, MOSFET models, PSpice syntax. All these are features which is available. Then we come to the autoplacer. I just show you the brief of the software, and we'll go to the software and design any circuit and see the flow. So autoplacer, I've told you that this is the uh, inbuilt tool which is available in the software. When you design any layout, it will create automatically. All components would be import automatically into the workspace in optimized space. So this autoplacer help in this activity. So you can see in the screenshot there is inside the PCB, outside the PCB, or you can place SMDs on top, on bottom. And then order of placing is there, fat first, small first, by component name is there. So when you click on the start, it autoplacer will start. I'll show you all these things in
Okay,
the software. Then auto router is
okay,
there.
okay, okay.
Auto router is there. So after creating a layout, you have to route the signal at an optimized space, like the components. So there are three types of auto router available, like counter auto router, hybrid auto router, Electra auto router. So you can choose any
Mm-hmm.
of the counter or hybrid. Or Electra is a third-party software which is integrated with the Target 3000. So it can be used for the complex circuits.
Mm-hmm.
So you can vary the signals, drill hole diameters, algorithm, then route layers, copper top or copper bottom. These are the features available in the auto router. Then PCB layout. You must have seen the screenshot. This is a layout of a circuit.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so up to 100 layers you can create a PCB layout. Circular octo. These are space shape available in which solder plate shapes are available. Then DRC check is there. ERC and DRC check. PCB generation routing with schematic is there. Gerber file import is there from other software programs. Like I've told you that Protel, Arcad, and other softwares, it can be imported. Uh, .t3000 files are accepted because there's an extension of file .t3000, so it will be created through the software. So just go to 3D view. After creating a 3D view, you can create a 3D. After creating a layout, you can go to the 3D view option. There is available. So when you click on 3D view, you will see that after creating a circuit, completing a circuit, you can see in real time how it looks. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
how it
This
looks.
3D view is automatically created, right?
Yeah. There is an option of there is a tab available 3D view. When you click on this, you can have the 3D view of that circuit which you have made.
Okay, okay. That with that actual size, right?
Yeah. So there are some other option like PCB layers, signals, and package available. You can just click and see one by one. Then EMC analysis check, electromagnetic check is there. You can analyze any circuit on electromagnetic basis, radiation coupling, galvanic coupling, track length, inductive coupling, coupling factor. These are the factors on which you can analyze the circuit on EMC analysis. Then front panel layout is there. Okay.
Drawings. Okay.
Yeah. Then there's a brief benefits of this are visible. In Gerber data you can create manufacturing. Actually, this software is an industrial tool, so it can be used for manufacturing of the PCB. So in last of the portion, I'll show you that some CNC companies are there. So the software has interface with those companies, so you can create any circuit and draw its CNC layout file. So if you give the direct to the CNC machines these files, they will give you the drill hole diameters, all this. Automatically it will be done through those files. So that is a manufacturing option is there. One project file keeps all the data. If you have made any project, it will keep all the data like from the schematics, simulation, layout, manufacturing, all these data. SQL component database is there. This is a huge database of 30,000 plus components. User-friendly licensing policy in which you don't have need a dongle or anything. It's a license server-based license. So you just have a software key license. You just install the software and run. So no, I mean licensing policy is very easy, sir, and the upgrades are very
Okay.
easy.
Mm-hmm.
Online upgrades are available. I've told you that components and software updates are online for 1 year. So these are the options available. I'll show you in the software. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'll just go to the software now.
Anyway, what will be the rate of this particular software with that number of license?
Sir,
How much will be the,
sir, for education, they have made for 16 user, 1 6.
okay.
16 user license is there, which is of 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. Okay, okay.
Yeah, 3 lakhs for 16 user, 15 plus 1. 15 is for a student and 1 for the faculty who teaches the students. So 15 plus 1,
Okay,
one licensing is there.
okay, okay.
So this is the software environment in which you can place your component, in which you can uh, place all the components. This is the component browser. You must be seeing this. This is the component browser in which you have all the
Mhm.
components available.
Okay.
Hmm. Like you must be seeing that audio capacity, connector, converter, diodes are there. When you click on any of the component,
Mhm.
sir,
Ah,
one second, sir. तो अजय शेखर पांडे सर से बात कर लो। मेरा फोन आ रहा है 2 बार। अजय शेखर पांडे जी, ये नंबर है कौन? ये पेनाइट सुल्तानपुर वाले, ये नंबर है डिक साइलेंट के लिए। So these are the component. When you click on any of the component, you can see
Yeah.
the schematic view of that component,
Mm-hmm.
schematic view, package view.
Mm-hmm.
Just show you, sir.
In the in there.
When you click on any of the component, you can see the schematic view, package view, and 3D view of that component.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so
Ah.
तो आप इसको क्लिक करेंगे तो you click on this, you will have the import component. You can place this, just place this component in the environment.
Okay.
Okay.
How can we label it? Label it. We can edit that.
Yeah, you can edit any of the component. I'll just showing for the example. I'll show you any of one circuit and complete whole flow of the software.
Okay. Okay.
Just click on the component. You can have the simulation values and all these
Ah,
property
okay.
of the
Okay. Okay.
component. Okay. So I'll just show
Okay.
you a small circuit in which we can see how the software works. Like I just place this sine value, sine wave voltage. Okay. Then we can place a rectifier here. One register. The DIN type package and IEEE package both are available. You can have any packet.
Have you got any file already done or designed?
Yes, sir.
So that have you got a file which is which
How?
has a design of any circuit or
I mean that demo projects.
yeah,
That I'll show you,
these
sir.
things we know. These
That
things we are familiar with that OrCAD only.
okay.
So how can
I'll
we
just
see
show
that
you. I'll just
3D?
show you a made circuit or ready-made circuit, sir. I'll just show you.
Yeah, that.
I'm just showing you the flow of the circuit. It's very small, sir.
Okay,
I'll just
all these
reconnect.
things we know. These
Okay,
things we know.
okay. I'll just show you. I'll just show you, sir. Like this. This is
Yeah, good.
yeah, this is a ready-made circuit of an op amp.
Okay.
Okay. So
Uh,
actually, sir, you must be know that this 74HC14 is a IC. Okay.
okay.
So when you import one IC, it will not import it automatically all the pins available. So if you
Uh,
import, it will import only a part of it. This one,
uh,
this part.
uh,
So
okay.
if you need to connect this component, you'll have to place some other part also. Like there is the option of import rest of component. If you click
Uh-huh.
this, if you I mean import this IC,
Uh-huh.
uh, then after importing it, you will have to go to the import rest of component. Then it will place its all the pins like this one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8. Rather it is not needed here, but you have to place it so that component placement is completed. And pin numbers are also available. Pin numbers are also completed when you import the whole circuit. So we just need this one only, but you have to import the other part also. So I've connected
Okay,
this.
okay.
I've connected this through voltage, and this you can simulate it through this. You have the result.
Okay, good,
This
good.
is the, this is
Okay.
also oscilloscope window. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
oscilloscope window
Okay.
is there. Then there is a graph calculator option. Here you can see the
Uh-huh.
V out and VC UC. Then
Oh, we can directly get the values of that particular thing,
yeah, value you
right?
can get automatically. Then editor is there, graph editor. Rather, apart from the values you are getting, you can get some more values also, like derivative value, integral value, maximum RMS value. Like if you want to create RMS value of this V out circuit, V out signal.
Uh-huh.
When you click on this, you will have the value of RMS value of this output. Or if you click on
Oh.
OK, you will have the uh, RMS value of this graph also, V out. This
Uh-huh.
EFF is the
Uh-huh.
RMS value of this output. So
Okay, okay, okay.
likewise, you can calculate any of the values.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is one more feature. So after doing this circuit simulation and PCB simulation, we can go to
Hmm.
the PCB view.
PCB
Go
display.
to
Okay.
PCB view. When you click on go to PCB view,
Mm-hmm.
it will show you size of the PCB. So you can just click on complete PCB outline,
Oh, it
and
is automatically calculating that
yeah,
size. We are
automatic.
not getting.
Yeah. No, you can resize it when you place it. Now I'll just show you.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Auto placer, I must have told that you have to click on inside the PCB on top or on bottom. I just to the on top start.
Okay.
Okay. So this is your circuit. So I just
Uh-huh.
resize it. You can just drag and drop.
Oh, we are adjusting the size of that PCB, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's quite simple, right?
Hmm. So this is your circuit. Auto placer we have done. Now we have to do the auto routing. So
Uh-huh.
auto router. I've told you there are three types of auto router are there: Contour, hybrid, and
Uh-huh.
Electra. You can choose
Uh-huh.
any one of. And so in auto router, I must told you that there are some other options available which you can change, like signal tracks,
Uh-huh.
vias, route thick signal
Uh-huh.
first, tracks short signal first. Then algorithms are there.
Mm-hmm.
Algorithms are there. Like you can avoid the disentangling of the routers. Then optimization is there. When the circuit is very complex, you can choose the higher optimization. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we just start it from here. Okay, so this is now auto routing is completed now. Now you can
Mm-hmm.
go to the view, 3D view. Okay,
Okay, good, good, good.
so this is now your circuit is there. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Hmm. So you can choose one by one. Like this is a very small circuit. The very you are using a very big circuit, so you can choose your component where it
Can you
where
move it again? That 3D view, can you move it again?
yeah, 1 second, sir. This is the base and this is the upper side, top side and bottom side.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Can we control that thickness of PCB or anything can be done over there?
In 3D view you can't choose. You have to edit in the schematic portion only.
Oh, okay, okay.
You have to edit in the schematic, then you go to the layout, and then 3D view will reflect.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a 3D view. Uh, I I told you that you can remove these packages and choose one by one whether
Oh, that's good.
where they are placed. So C1,
Uh-huh,
I
uh-huh.
need to see where my C1 is. The C1 is this, R1 is this, U1 is this. For larger
Uh-huh.
circuit, it will help where components are located. So that will help.
Okay, okay,
Yeah. So
okay.
there is a 3D view. Now I've told you that manufacturing portion is there. PCB
Mm-hmm.
manufacturing portion. So for
Mm-hmm.
PCB manufacturing, we have to go to the input output formats, file transfer, production, then engraving insulation channels. When you click on this,
Mm-hmm.
you will have the production type, double-sided or copper top, copper bottom, anything you can choose. Like if you choose the copper top only, and then output format, I've told you uh, that this software Target 3000 supports some of the CNC machines, CAM machines. Okay,
Oh,
so
okay,
yeah,
okay.
HPGL, Isel Proma, then CNC, Charlie Robot, Colin Bus, LPKF. These are the CNC machine which give you the drilling, holing through automatically through CNC machines.
Either?
So when you create a file format of any one of this machine and give the file
Uh-huh.
format to those machine manufacturer, they will give you the ready-made PCBs
Okay, okay.
according to your circuit and the file format. So this is the automatic
Okay.
process, and in the colleges we do through Gerber files, Gerber data we have, and we can print it and do the manual procedure through machines. So I'll just show you a
Mm-hmm.
Gerber layout. There are some other options like drilling, copper top, PCB layout. Many options are available to change. PCB outline, start output. Then you can choose the output desktop. This is the GR extension. Gerber file is there. You can
Mm-hmm.
save it. Start. Okay. Now we have to choose a new file without schematic. Okay. File, input output formats, file transfer documentation, then read Xgerber file. So that Xgerber file which is created, we have to browse it from here.
Mm-hmm.
The square wave generator GER file. When you open it, it will give you a track layout of that circuit. So that can be
Okay, okay.
printed on the glass sheet, and then the procedure of manual PCB designing can be done through this Gerber file.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, so that is the final layout of any circuit. You can create through schematic, then you can analyze it, then you can create the layout, then 3D view, then you go to the manufacturing process, and you can have the layout of track layout of the circuit.
Mm.
So,
Okay.
so there is a complete PCB designing tool, right from the schematic to the PCB to the manufacturing.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So this one is for analog circuit. I've just created a ready-made circuit for you for full adder for digital
Digital
simulation,
circuit.
digital circuits. Okay, so in digital,
Mm-hmm.
there is some procedure of giving the inputs. Like we have the stim circuits available, stimulators. We call it stimulators. When you click on stimulators, it will give you option of editing those stimulants editor. So we can give the input from here. Like on 0 it should be 0, 1 it should be 1, 2 for 1, 3 for 0. In 0 1 we can give the inputs, 0 and 1s. In binary we have to
Mm-hmm.
give the inputs. So these are the inputs which we have given. Like for A, B, C we have given the stimulators value. Then we have created the XOR and this, and this is a full adder circuit. Like I've told you that if there is a IC, you have to import rest of the components. So these are the rest of the components which are attached to this IC. So there is a power node is available 7 to 14. 7 to 14 is power. So we have to give the power to those ICs. These ICs we have to give the power. Like I've given the 5-volt power. This one is for XOR. This one is for this NAND.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the powers I've given. Now if you simulate it, show all. So it will show you the
Mm-hmm.
digital output. A, B, XOR 1,
Okay, good,
C.
good.
Yeah, digital output is there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. One more thing in analysis, I've told you that extended
Mm-hmm.
commands. You can add some more analysis like from transient AC analysis, DC analysis. Then you can choose for probes. Like I want to see voltage and current value of any point. So you have the probe option. You can click on the probes and
Mm-hmm.
analyze any voltage and current value on any of the point.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, there is a probes option available. That is there in
Mm.
the
So that we can debug the circuit, right?
yeah this one. Like if you want to see the voltage against ground, so that voltmeter kind of thing is attached with the mouse. We click on this V, the signal VC in added. So if you VC in added, if you click on this, you have to like we have chosen the DC in. So DC in will be given only that particular value which we have chosen. That will show you. This is also for the
Oh.
larger circuit. Like if you don't want to see the other results and no to some particular value only. So you just choose to the probes and give the value of those probes. So DC I have given, so it will show you the DC in value only.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, other values will be disabled. Okay. Uh, so this is the digital simulation, and that was the analog simulation, and this also. Some demo projects are available when you
Mm-hmm.
install the software into your PC. Some demo softwares are there and demo projects. You have to
Mm-hmm.
choose it from here.
It is readily available with this software, right?
Yeah, these are available. When you install it, it will be available with you. These are the ready-made projects which are available. Many circuits
Mm-hmm.
are there, sir.
Is this things are available with the free version?
Yes, sir.
The free version is available on the net. I have seen something
Yeah,
before.
yeah. That is a discover version of this
Yeah.
software. So it is, sir, feature restricted. Feature restricted. So some larger circuit would not be run through those discover because it has a pin limitation. So
Understood.
that is for analyzing the circuit only, analyzing the software, evaluating the software.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, for analyzing some larger circuit. देखो net. Ajay Shekhar Pandey.
Yes. Hmm.
So
Will you please send me a quotation of this particular software
yeah,
and details?
yeah. I'll send you, sir.
Okay. Yes, we will be discussing with the HOD and we will be taking some decision on this
Okay, okay,
as soon as.
okay. So this is purchased in this curriculum only, this semester. Oh,
We'll try to do that, but
okay,
actually we have to discuss with our director also for this
okay,
purchase.
okay, okay.
The budget is like 3 lakh, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So we have to discuss with the director also.
Okay. Your college is a government college, sir?
Yeah, government college,
Okay.
IHRD,
Oh,
College
yeah.
of Engineering, Chennai.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
So our decision making party is the director, so we have to send some request to him and he'll be making some decision.
Okay, okay, okay. So I'll send you the quotation and details, some other details. You can,
Okay.
we can, actually, we are the channel partner of through for all over the India. So we can give you the authorization and proprietary certificate so that you need not hassle for a procurement process. So
Mm-hmm.
you can buy it.
You have any office in Kerala? You
Uh,
have any office in Kerala?
no, we have office in Delhi only, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
we work from here only, sir. We have installed some NIT Calicut and many colleges. We have college in Cherthala. We have installed it. We go there.
Cherthala?
Yeah, Cherthala we have given. College of Engineering Cherthala. We
Oh,
have installed one
our
software.
college. Uh-huh.
Pradeep sir
The
is
college
there.
under our management.
Pradeep sir is there, sir. Pradeep sir, he must be knowing.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll discuss with him.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay, okay.
So he has.
Okay, anyway, can we stop this session?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I'll send you
Hello?
the quotation after this, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.